You girls gonna bring it back or what? It's called fetch for a reason, you know. All right, let's get those feet wiped. Layla. All right, Moon, your turn.
What is that smell?
Did you roll in poop again?
Well, now you're gonna need a basket, nasty, nasty dog, you. All right. Ready to get this over? Okay, I guess Luna doesn't want a treat. Come out wherever.
Silly girl.
I was sure that was gonna get her out of hiding. Luna, come on, girl. We gotta get that poop off you before you stink up the house. Couldn't have gotten there.
Really?
You're dry for a little bit.
I have this for you. Good girl. Chocolate eggs. All right, I'm just doing 5-minute increments. Come here, Layla. Your turn to lay down. You ready to do some more filming, Loon? Gotta take some breaks, don't we? It's hot. Come on, Loon. Good girl. Hey, good girl. Come. Good girl, Loon. Good girl.
Back. Good girl.